Bakit ba sa laro ng buhay, mas maraming chance to lose? Eh, paano ka mananalo kung ang kalaban mo, sarili mo?
In the game of life, walang obstacle na hindi natin kayang lampasan. If you know how to give love, you will receive love.